So dear student, here we are starting the preparation of veg lasagne, and for that we have prepared all the ingredients, the misa which is required for vegetable lasagne. In continuation of vegetable lasagne, the homemade lasagne sheet which we have prepared at our kitchen is ready and are ready for making the lasagne. We have mozzarella cheese, grated mozzarella cheese. In the vegetables, the tomato is required, chopped tomato is required for making the red tomato sauce. And the vegetables, roasted vegetables which will be required for making vegetable lasagne are here, in which we have taken the onions. You can use broccoli, or if you don't have, then you can go for the cauliflower also. Mushroom, spinach, green bell pepper and red bell pepper, or even there is different vegetables which you can add during the preparation, and we are also going to add the green peas in mixture of vegetables. So this will be required for making the lasagne. And the sauce, earlier I told you we will make the red tomato sauce by the chopped tomatoes deseeded, and now after making the red sauce we will prepare the white sauce. For making the white sauce, the ingredients which will be used, they are refined flour, 2 tablespoons of refined flour, milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, basil leaf, olive oil, red chili flakes, chopped garlic, white pepper. Even we can use for the preparation of red tomato sauce the black pepper, fresh black pepper, and salt as per the taste. So these all ingredients will be required for making the vegetable lasagne. And now I will start the preparation of making red sauce. So we have taken the stock pot or pan, it has been placed over the flame, and now we are adding a tablespoon of olive oil for making red tomato sauce. So oil has been heated properly, and now we are adding chopped garlic in it. Now we are going to add de-skinned, deseeded tomatoes. We will mix it properly. And now we will add a teaspoon of salt. So student, here you can see tomato has been translucent properly, and we are going to add a little bit of chili flakes and basil leaves on to this sauce. A tablespoon of basil leaf, a pinch of sugar or a teaspoon of sugar is required, so we are adding here. It will give the proper balance to the tomato sauce. Now you can see the color is getting dense red. So here we are going to add a fresh black pepper onto it, and now you can see the color has been changed in dense red. And this is almost ready red tomato sauce. After that we are going to prepare white sauce. So now we are starting to prepare white sauce. For that we have placed the pot over the flame, and now we will add 45 gram of butter. So you can see here butter has been melted, and now we are going to add the same quantity of refined flour so that we can prepare a white roux. And after that we will add milk and white pepper onto white sauce. So equal quantity of refined flour and butter is mixed together. So student, here you can see our roux has been cooked properly, and now we are going to add milk into it, and we will continuously whisk it. So you can see we need to whisk it continuously, otherwise lumps can be occurred. So we have mixed milk into it properly, no lumps are here. Now we are going to add a little bit of salt and white pepper, a pinch of salt and white pepper. And now a half teaspoon of salt we are going to add. So this is how we prepare the white sauce. So now we are starting the preparation of, we are sauteing vegetables which are required for making vegetable lasagne. For that we have taken the pot over flame, and now we are going to add olive oil, or 2 tablespoons of olive oil into it. So now we are adding chopped garlic into heated oil. So now we are adding, after adding the garlic, we have added onion into pot, and now we have mixed it together. Now we are adding mushroom, you can see, and then we will add bell peppers. Green bell peppers have been added, and now we are adding red bell peppers. So you can see the vegetables which we added earlier has been cooked properly, and now we are adding spinach, and we will mix it thoroughly and until it gets transparent. Now we are adding cauliflower. You can add if you are having broccoli, assorted vegetables, and now green peas. And we will add Italian seasoning. For that we are just going to add a little bit of salt, half teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of basil, and some fresh oregano leaf. So students, so far we have prepared red sauce. You can see we have placed it in a bowl. White sauce, sauteed vegetables, and we have taken a rectangular baking pan which we have greased properly by butter, and the lasagne seed which we earlier prepared, homemade lasagne seed. And now we are going to place the sauce and lasagne seed and vegetables layer by layer into this rectangular pan, and then we will bake it inside the oven. So student, first of all we will apply red tomato sauce on the base. You can see 2 spoons of red tomato sauce need to apply properly in all the corners and in the base of the pan, and then now we will place lasagne seed one by one so that we can fill all the space in the base, and again we will apply red tomato sauce. Now we are keeping above the sauce sauteed vegetables. You can see the vegetable which we have sauteed earlier, we are placing over here, and then we will place it evenly so that all the space can be fulfilled. You can see cauliflower, spinach, bell peppers, green peas, onion, all are come together, and then I am going to apply white sauce. We will apply evenly white sauce, and then we can add some mozzarella cheese. So here you can see we have applied the red and white sauce, and in between we have kept the vegetables, and here we have option. We can go for the mozzarella, or if we are having cheddar and mozzarella, both cheese we can use. Now we are just adding mozzarella cheese on top of it. So far we have completed first layering of lasagne sheet, in which we have placed the 2 lasagne sheet, and above the lasagne sheet red and white sauce and vegetables. Now we are making another layer of lasagne sheet over here. So you can see we have placed the other sheet of lasagne above the cheese, and then we are going to apply again a red tomato sauce. So here we have applied red tomato sauce above the lasagne sheet again, and now we are placing the vegetables over here again. You can see. Here we are going to apply white sauce again in second time. So we will make a layer of white sauce on top of the vegetables, and then we will place some cheese on top of it. And again we are going to pour mozzarella cheese on top of it. So this is how we place the lasagne or fill the vegetable inside between the lasagne sheet in baking pan. So far you have seen all the methods, how we have kept the seeds and vegetables and sauce, red sauce, tomato sauce. And after completing this process, we will keep inside the oven at 180 degrees Celsius temperature for 20 minutes, and then we will see. So here you can see we have preheated the oven, and now we are going to place our lasagne inside the oven for baking at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. So student, now we have removed it from the oven, and you can see here the golden crust layer on top of it. So vegetable lasagne has been baked properly, and now we are going to cut it into rectangular shape and placed it in a plate for presentation. So now we have cut it, and now we are taking it out and placing it in a plate. You can see. So here the vegetable lasagne is ready to serve. We can garnish it by basil leaf on top of it. So this is how we prepare vegetable lasagne. Thank you very much.